Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Be Your Best Beautiful. So today I'm here and I'll be doing a Modi Care haul. So to start with, I want to tell you a little bit about Modi Care. So Modi Care is one of the finest direct selling companies in India that started in the year 1996 and it's been over 24 years and it's doing great. So Modi Care is mainly into healthcare products, wellness products, makeup products, skincare products, auto care products and the home products that you also get detergents, normal masalas and everything else. I always wanted to do a hands-on on these type of products, so I asked my sister. She's indirectly associated with Modi Care, so I told her and she ordered few products. Since I'm very much interested in makeup and skincare, she ordered skincare and some makeup products which I'll be showing you guys. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. I have categorized into skincare and makeup. First, I'm going to show you the skincare products because they are lesser, and then I'm going to show you makeup products. So I'm going to mention the MRP as well as the discounted price. Now this discounted price is for everybody. It's not just only for the associates of Modi Care, but it's for everybody. So let's start with the skincare products first. So first up is the Fruit of the Earth. It's a face pack with neem and rosemary. So this is how the product looks like. Now I have used this particular face pack for a couple of times and I must say it's really good. Now the one thing I really like about this face pack, first its fragrance, and second is so whenever you apply face pack, your face tends to get dry because you keep the face pack for 20 minutes and then your face tends to get dry. But this face pack, even if it is dry, it still leaves a lot of moisturization behind, which I really like. It does not make your skin dry, so heads up for this particular face pack. Next up is from a brand Shloka. Now this is their Moroccan Argan Oil Scrub. Now I'm just going to show you how it looks from inside. So all the Modi Care products, the packaging is top notch. I really like it, and look at this beautiful packet. So yes, the pricing is a bit on a higher side, not much, a bit on a higher side, but still the quality of the product is top notch. I really like it. I'm just going to show how the scrub looks like. So this is how the scrub looks like. So it has very minute scrub particles in there which helps you to scrub your face really nicely. So I really like this product. Next up is it's a mud facial bar. Now this is my favorite product. I have actually finished one of the products. So it is basically a bar, a soap bar, and it's a facial bar, so you do not have to use it on your body, just on the face, and I absolutely loved it. It is from the same brand, Fruit of the Earth. It's really good, guys. It smells so Ayurvedic and so nice, and after you apply this particular facial bar, you just have to apply it like a normal face wash and it leaves your skin so smooth and so supple. I love it. This is my second bar. I've actually finished one bar. So that is all I had in skincare. Now let's move to makeup. So basically Modi Care products, makeup products are from a brand called as Urban Color. Now I had read about Urban Color. It's a UK based brand, but it's really the brand, the quality is really good. So again, as I already mentioned, that the prices are a bit on a higher side, but it's totally worth it. So this is their foundation. Now this is their Urban Color Expert Firm and Lift Foundation. Now this is how the foundation looks from outside. Now, and this is how it looks from inside. It has a pump kind of thing. So I really like pump type foundation because it is less messy, plus there is no wastage at all. Yeah, so I really like this foundation. Again, this particular foundation is a bit light from my skin, but I've actually applied it today. I've managed it, but this is how it looks like. After foundation, we have a compact from the same brand, Urban Color. Now it is also the Expert Firm and Lift Compact. So I'll just show you the compact. Look at the packaging, guys. It's so premium and it giving the feel of the product is really good. So this is how it looks like. Yeah. this is the product over here, and they have given a puff. So this is how it looks like. So I really like the compact also. I've applied the compact today and it's really good. Next up is the eyeliner. Now the most favorite makeup of all this is the liner and mascara. I will come to the mascara, but I love the eyeliner. So it's a Urban Color London high definition eyeliner. So I'm currently wearing the same eyeliner, and the eyeliner is so good. It's basically a sketch pen or pen eyeliner, if you guys can see. Yeah, this is how the tip looks like. It has a very sharp tip. The pigmentation is really good, guys. I'm just going to swipe for you. Just look at this. It's beautiful in just one swipe. I absolutely love the eyeliner, and it takes few seconds to just dry it out. So see, it's already dried. Next up is from the same brand, the Urban Color Ultimate Lash Mascara. So this is how the mascara looks from outside. Now I absolutely love the mascara also. I'm wearing it right now, guys. It's really good. So this is how the mascara looks like. And this is how the mascara wand looks like. So that's the mascara. Next is a eyeshadow cord, again from the same brand, Urban Color. Now I have combined these eyeshadow and I've done my eyeshadow today, if you guys can see, and I absolutely love. They are so pigmented and such pretty colors, and the packaging is really good, guys. Look, I'm just going to show it to you. So they're very nicely packaged, the eyeshadow, like this, if you can see. Yeah. So this is how the eyeshadow looks like. All the products give you a premium feel, guys. It's really nice. And this is what shade I've selected. All shades are very beautiful and pigmented. So I'm just going to swatch every shade for you. So if you can see, I have actually swatched every shade for you. All the shades are so pretty. So I really like the brush also. They gave a padded brush over here, as you can see, and also a normal brush. I really like that. Yeah. Next up is a lipstick. So I'm wearing the lipstick right now, and it's again from the same brand, Urban Color London. It's their Creme Glam lipstick with sun protection. That means it has SPF in there. I really like the color of the lipstick. The shade is Pink Rose 05C. So I absolutely loved. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's a very pretty metallic packaging, and that's the bullet of the lipstick. Yeah. So this is basically semi-matte. So I have actually mattified the lipstick by applying some powder over it. So I'm just going to. This is how the lipstick looks like. It is super pigmented, and the shade looks so good. It is a perfect sunny rosy shade. I absolutely loved it. Last but not the least is the makeup wipes from the same brand, Urban Color. Now these are the makeup melting wipes with soothing chamomile extract. Now it's for all skin types and will also remove waterproof makeup, which is fab, I believe. So it is just like normal wipes, guys, but these are makeup wipes. It will remove your makeup really nicely. So yeah, so I've already used 1 or 2 wipes and they work just fine. So really happy with this also. So yeah, so I think that is it for today's haul. And if you guys are interested, now you cannot directly buy the Modicare products. You either have to download their app and put in the consultant ID, and then you can go ahead and buy. Otherwise you have to directly talk to a consultant, a Modi Care associate or consultant, and then that person could buy. So if you guys are interested in buying any of the products, you can please mail me. I'll be mentioning my email ID here as well as in the description box, so definitely check that out. And if you're interested in buying and trying any of the Modi Care products, I'll be very happy to help. So let me know in the comment section what was your favorite product. So yeah, so I think that is it for today, guys. If you like this video, please like the video. Please let me know in the comment section of any video ideas you want me to do next, and please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Bye.